Hi all, it's Karen Toomey here from Communications Hub. I'm just popping on to share a little tip with you about Zoom. Like everyone else in the country, I've been using it quite a lot over the last few weeks for meetings and tutorials and courses. I'm finding it great, but just wanted to share one handy tip, which is the ability to put a virtual background behind your meeting. So you can see here I have one with the Communications Hub logo. So you can create any type of an image or video you want with writing, just plain background, whatever it is. It's a good idea. It just blacks out what's behind you, and it's a little bit more professional looking. So I'm just going to show you first things first. I'd suggest you could use something like Canva. If you want to create a graphic. So if you log in here to Canva, you don't have to pay for this. You can create a design, click here, and I'm going to create it as a desktop wallpaper because that's the perfect size. So once you click on that, you can see it's going to open up here, and it'll allow me to upload any type of images, text, anything I want there. So I can create any type of an image. For me, I'm going to scroll down here to uploads, click on that, and it's going to bring me into my logo. You can see here it's popping up. So I can move that around and space it where I want to have it. So for me, I'd pop it up here a little bit into the right hand corner, maybe change the size a small bit as well. So you can play around with that, download it, and then come back in here to our Zoom. You've got your image created now. So if we go down here, you have to be live in a meeting or in a tutorial for this feature to work. So I'm going down here next to the video icon into the little arrow popping up. I'm going into choose virtual background, and you can see I'm getting this little menu here. So if I click none, that's obviously going to just bring me into what is actually behind me. And then for me, I'm after uploading this image I've created. So that's changing it there. And you simply upload it by adding image or video here. And you can upload anything you want. So hopefully that's a helpful little tip to get you going on your Zoom journey. And keep posted to my social media platforms for more tips going forward. Thank you.